Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Sony SRS-XP700 wireless Bluetooth party speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not connecting to your phone or other device, or if it's not pairing or syncing with your Bluetooth, if it's not responding, if it seems to be lagging, there's sound issues, anything like that can very often be fixed with this factory reset. Now you're going to need to set it up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this, is if for whatever reason you want to delete all the pairing history and just get a fresh start setting this up like it just came out of the box, we can do this really easily. First of all, the speaker needs to be turned on for this to work, so let's go ahead and turn it on. And then with the speaker turned on, we're just going to find the play button, the play pause button, and the mega bass button, and press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. And after those 5 seconds or so, the speaker will turn off, indicating that the reset is complete. We can release the two buttons, then we can just come in, turn the speaker back on, and go ahead and set it up like it's a brand new speaker.